सांतिनिसच्या नाल्याची अवस्था भयानक जाल्या। हो नालो रोगांचे कारण जावन रावला। थंयची अवती पळयल्यार डेंगू मलेरिया सारकिल्ली दुयेसां थळाव्यांक कोपशात घेवपाक कळाव लागचो ना। हाका जापसालदार आशिल्ल्या DHSन नगरपालिका वेंचणुकांनी व्यस्त आसात असो दावो करून प्रतिक्रिया दिवपाक न्हयकार दिलो। सरकारान लोकांच्या जीवाकडेन चलयल्लो हो खेळ तर न्हय, प्रश्न उपरासता।
I am here along the banks of the Santinis Creek. This creek has been an issue for several years. As you can see behind me, the color of the creek has turned into a pitch black color. As you can also see for yourself, as I throw this stone into the water that splashes out is also completely black in color. Now, the stagnant sewage water here is ideal for breeding grounds for mosquitoes. Now, what this also poses a risk for is dengue and malaria. This creek is lined with residential areas along the entire stretch, and it puts a lot of residents and locals and commuters at risk. Now, another thing to note of the creek is that it has begun bubbling. Now, it is unclear why this is happening, whether it is because there is sewage being discharged into it, or whether the creek has turned so toxic that gases are now emitting right from it. Now, while the government says that they have spent crores of rupees on redeveloping and cleaning the creek, and have also assured that there will be no raw sewage being discharged into it, it seems none of that has bore any fruit. Now, as you can also see, there's a thick layer of sort of sludge that has formed on the surface of the creek, and it is also emitting a stench. Now, this stench cannot be conveyed over camera, but the residents here express great anguish over the smell. Now, we did go to the DHS and approach the Deputy Director, Dr. Rupa Naik, to comment on the stagnant water that poses a risk of malaria and dengue. However, she said that she was too busy with the municipality elections to give any comment on the issue. Now, ideally, this should be a priority for the DHS. However, year on year, the situation at the creek only keeps getting worse.
GOA365 खातीर सुभाशिश गोवेकार, सृष्टी अथानीकार आणि निखिल जल्मी।